What's good, y'all? It's KJ here with the Urban Fruit Forest, and today I'm here to show you guys one of the sweetest plants that I'm growing. It's right here behind me. It's this really tall grass. Yes, I said grass, and it goes by the name of sugarcane. So if a lot of you don't know about sugarcane, I'm here to give you a lot of good information about why you should be growing sugarcane in your food forest. So sugarcane is a really tall perennial grass. It's actually cousins to bamboo, and they grow by stalks, as you can see right here. This one right here is called the Florida Red, and it actually grows really well over here in Florida. Warm climates like Texas, California should be able to grow it pretty well. It's a perennial, so it doesn't die back, at least where I'm at. Sugarcane, man, produces 80% of sugar in the world. Yes, I said 80% of the sugar of our world is extracted from sugarcane. This plant is super easy to grow. Some of the reasons you might want to grow it is because it grows really fast and doesn't need good soil. I planted this in poor soil, believe it or not, a year ago, and as you can see, stalks are taller than me. So super easy to grow, and it multiplies really well. I'm going to show you guys how you can multiply sugarcane if you want to be able to grow it. But as you can see, get super tall. It makes great shade and wind blocker. One of my favorite reasons for actually growing sugarcane, one, super sweet. You obviously know that by now, but as you can see, let me show you guys. So it does drop leaves a lot, and these leaves make great mulch. So as it mulches, when these leaves fall down, it mulches this plant. When it gets excess, I pick it up and I just spread it out around the bases of different trees. So mulch, man, that's super important. When you know me, mulch is super important in gardening. So super sweet. Go ahead and show you guys how you can multiply sugarcane and grow it yourself. All right, so right here we have a stalk. I'm gonna go ahead and cut down. Go like this. All right, so when you do get a sugarcane stalk, whether you get it from a supermarket, some Oriental supermarkets sell it, or if you find it from a friend, you're gonna wanna go ahead and get a stalk, right? And when you get this stalk, this is really big, so you're not gonna wanna plant this whole thing. You can, but I wouldn't advise it. What you're gonna wanna do is split it by its nodes. So right here, if you can see right here, hopefully it focuses, right here it has nodes, right? And these are growth nodes. And once the plant gets established by the roots you see right here, so you're gonna wanna dig a trench, not too deep, and so you're gonna cut it, I would say, in between these two nodes right here, right? So it's 3 nodes, so you got 1, 2, 3. 2 to 3 nodes works perfectly fine. You're gonna wanna cut that, right? Dig a tiny trench, or you get it started in a pot. Just go ahead and lay it down in that trench or in the pot, cover it with some soil, just keep it well watered. Yo, I tell you, these things propagate super easily. So once it gets propagated, I can show you right now actually what it looks like. Boom, so once you get it planted in either a trench or a pot of soil, you will get nodes to pop up just like this. There's a tiny one right here, and then this one right here. And then I like to just get them established in a pot first. Like I said, you can get them started right in the ground. I'd advise to get them started in a pot just so they get a nice little root ball. And then I'm actually gonna get this planted in soon, so you just go ahead and drop it in the ground, and dude, you will be reaping a whole bunch of sugarcane in no time. So I could actually show you guys real quick. So we're gonna, so this is what it looks like peeled, right? And most people just chew it. Super sweet. You could juice this. Like I said, you could extract sugar from this. Dude, there's so many different things you could do with sugarcane. If you aren't growing it, I highly advise you get this in your garden. So there are multiple variety of sugar canes. The one I just showed you guys is called the Florida Red. It's a really good chewing variety. I had another variety I was growing, the Louisiana Green. I wasn't too fond of it. It's a juicing variety. I don't like juicing my cane. I'd rather just chew it out. It's a juicing variety. I don't grow it anymore. I swapped it out with this one right here. This one's a black sugar cane. If you don't have sugar cane yet, or you want to add another one to what you currently do have, black sugar cane is the way to go. I kid y'all not, this is the best cane I've ever tasted. Super sweet. Super easy to peel. The stalks aren't very hard at all. They're soft. Boy, I tell you, black sugar cane. So if you do want a new variety, black sugar cane is the way to go. But it's a bit difficult to get. I would say it's kind of rare. I haven't seen it very often. I had a friend give it to me. But if you're just looking for something easy to grab, you cannot go wrong with a Florida Red. It's a really good chewing cane. So I appreciate y'all tapping into the channel. Any questions about sugar cane, go ahead and ask them down below. If you are growing sugarcane and you know the variety, go ahead and comment it down below too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for some more. I'll catch you on the next one.